Hello there. It's a very sweaty, smelly Eddie from Alfaman. It's very hot and sticky. Had this GIulietta 1400 come in with exhaust blow. So we've investigated, and the guy had been to 2 or 3 other garages. They all said, no, the turbo's gone, blah blah blah. So we waited till it cooled down, and we've discovered that it's the it's the exhaust manifold gasket. Here it is. There's a new one. Here's an old one. And if you come closer, let me just show you. Come over here and look in my hand. And the stud had broken. So I experimented. I drilled a hole in here with a little grinder, to see if I could actually make a hole in the stud. Then what we did was we ground a hole in the stud that had broken here. Otherwise, it's a head-off job. So you can see the debris of all the parts that we've taken off the car. Now, if you look over here, and behind you on the floor there, we've taken all these parts off to be able to get to that there with the grinder. And what we've done is we've ground a hole in, and then with an easy out we've been able to take, well, I can't find the easy out that we've used now. Here it is. We've been able to take this out, and now what I'm going to do is I'll put a new stud in, which I've got here, and then we can assemble it all up. That's the stud here, that's a good one, and that's the broken one there. So instead of taking 8-10 hours, costing the customer bloody fortunes, we've persevered and managed to drill a hole in the broken stud. And I believe that it was probably assembled like that, because you can see over here where it's snapped, that's been like that for years and years and years. But what we did was we did experiment before we tried to drill a hole in. We actually couldn't drill a hole in it, we ground a hole in it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our other YouTubes. I hope everybody is staying safe and well during this wretched COVID virus epidemic that we're all going through. I hope everybody stays well and safe. Thanks.